ICICI Prudential has launched its NFO, that is new fund offer, known as ICICI Prudential Nasdaq 100 Index Fund, which has already opened on 27th September 2021 and which will going to close on 11th October 2021. ICICI Prudential Nasdaq 100 Index Fund, which will invest in Nasdaq 100 Index, which will give exposure to the 100 largest globally leading non-financial companies. Basically, it is an open-ended index fund which will replicate the Nasdaq 100 Index. If you want to invest in US stock or international stock, through this mutual fund you can invest. Or if you want to invest in US stock or an international stock through ETF, for which we have already made a video on this topic, you can check by clicking on the above I button. Now we will overview this scheme. Now for this purpose we will highlight the key feature of Nasdaq 100 Index. It will give globally leading companies access to which are having a dominant position in the US market. Then it will have a lower correlation with Indian equity indices. Then it has a 44% weightage in the information technology, that is IT stocks, that is Nifty 100 index having a 44%, that is almost 50% weightage in IT stock, because near future information technology have a bright future. Now Nasdaq 100 index has already given 900% return since 2007. Then it has grown by 4 times in the last 2 decades, that is in 20 years it has grown by more than 4 times. Now we will check out the PE ratio, that is PE and PB ratio. Nasdaq 100 have PE ratio of 28%, 28, and PB ratio is 4.9, whereas Nifty 50 in our Indian market PE ratio is 26 and PB ratio is 4.33. And with the market cap of $18 trillion, this index has outperformed the US market. So it is overall a very good index in the US. Now these are the reasons you should consider before investing Nasdaq 100 index fund. The first reason is diversification. Since Nasdaq 100 index consists of 100 stocks, so your portfolio will be diversified in 100 stocks. Second reason, diversification in the international market can help the investor to earn potential return. Then second, it gives access to the globally highly leading companies which have a dominant position in the US markets. Then third, Nasdaq 100 index has performed well over the last 2 decades, which we have already discussed. Then important point, it is an potential hedge against the rupee depreciation versus dollar. As the rupee depreciate, as against the dollar will appreciate. In that case, the US stock prices will hit, so it will be a benefit due to the rupee depreciation and dollar appreciation. It will give you exposure to the big technology stock. Already we have discussed almost 50% of the weightage is of technology stock, and technology stock have a bright future in the bright future in near. Then it will give a direct investment in index construct. You don't have to worry about particular stock. If you select this mutual fund, your money will be diversified and you will be invested in 100 stock, not a particular stock. This is the biggest advantage. Also it will be a transparent and index based investing. And then global product and service catering to the all age group. Anybody can invest in this mutual fund, so it will be benefit to all of the age group. Now what will be the Nasdaq 100 components? So now we will highlight the top holdings. Then first it comes Apple company, all you know these famous companies, Microsoft, then Amazon, Alphabet Inc. means Google, Facebook, Netflix, Tesla, PepsiCo and Starbucks. These are the top companies in the Nasdaq 100 index. Now we will see the top 10 holding of this Nasdaq 100 index. So as you can see, Apple having a 11% weightage in the top 100 में से, and then Microsoft having 10, then in the PayPal having 2%, Adobe likewise. You can see the now we will see the top 5 sector. So as we have already discussed, 44% as you can see have weightage of information technology, means half of the which is consist of information technology stock. Then balance 29% communication telecommunication sector. Then balance 15% consumer discretionary. Then 30% consumer services, and last balance 2% to the other industrial products. Now just check out the performance over a period of time. Nasdaq index has given a 35% compounded annual growth return in the last 6 years. That is, it has performed 35% CAGR in the last 6 years, whereas Nifty 50, our Indian market, has performed only 19%, and S&P 500 index, that is New York Stock Exchange, based on New York Stock Exchange, has given a 24%. Now see the example. Anybody who has invested in Nasdaq 100 index in 2050 and has invested 1 lakh rupees, it would have become 4 lakh 27, almost 4.5 times return he have given in the last 6 year, 4.5 times returns. And anybody who has invested in S&P 500, it has given 2 lakh 83,000, and in Indian market 2 lakh 31,000. So Nasdaq has outperformed the all indexes. Now finally we will discuss this scheme detail. This type of scheme detail is open-ended scheme, and then it will be having a two plan, regular plan as well as direct plan. The fund manager for this scheme will be Priyanka Khandelwal. If you are investing lump sum, that is in one shot, then first installment you will have to pay 1000 rupees. For additional purchase or subsequent purchase you need to pay 500 rupees. You can redeem any units, any amount, no restriction. Exit load nil, completely free. Benchmark, as we already discussed, it is based on Nasdaq 800 index. Those stock which are in Nasdaq 100 stock which are containing Nasdaq 100 index, this will be the and top 10 holding we have already discussed. Now if you want to start with SIP will be in two type. If you are looking for daily, weekly or fortnightly and monthly SIP, then you need to have invest 100 rupees. With this 100 rupees you can start SIP, but for minimum installment you will require 6 installment required. If you are looking for quarterly SIP, then minimum 5000 required, and minimum installment for this will be 4. If you have not watched our Kotak multi-cap mutual fund, just click on the above I button and check out the video. And if you are not invested, you can invest now in Kotak mutual fund. Hope this video is useful to you and help you a lot.